that's all the holes drilled and deburring. So I've got 4 pin holes for the 4mm pins for the handle scales, 1 6mm hole for the 6mm central pin, and 6 holes which are going to form the outlines of the jimping in the bottom edge of the handle. So what have I learned? Number 1 is use engineer's glue and not a stick-on template, because that's fallen apart, but it's done its job. It just means I've got to line up a new one now. But what I should do in the future is use engineer's glue and transfer it onto the metal with a scribe. So I will do that. Number 2, this drill and drill press is rubbish. It will drill holes in tool steel, but not in the place you want them to be. I mean, it's wobbly, it's rickety, it moves around. When you put pressure on the drill bit, it actually drills at an angle, so although these holes are in the right place on the top, they're all over the place on the bottom. So that's not so good. Probably need to do a bit of tweaking with a file later on. Some of these holes have moved significantly. Don't know if you can see on this this 6mm hole, you can see that the outline should be up here, whereas the hole was drilled probably 3mm out, because it started off in the right position but it slid sideways, so it's not even a very true hole. This one down here has slid as well, which is quite tricky because it's right near the edge of the handle here. But anyway, we shall see. So I've got to find a new template and stick it on, but all the holes are drilled, so the next thing to do is to cut out the profile, and then once that's done, do the bevels and the handle scales, and job done. It's taking a lot longer. This one here out of wood took me about 2 to 3 hours to make. This one's probably going to take me 2 to 3 weeks. But there you go.